Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video, once again, we are talking about the Zilliqa coin. Wow, at this time, the Zilliqa coin very soon become a big jump in the Zilliqa coin. That's a good news for all of us that the Zilliqa coin start pumping very soon. As you can see here now, the last 1 hour price is negative. Last 1 week, the whole thing is open. The Zilliqa is negative, but friends, the big pump is very soon, friends. Keep watch this video till the end, friends, because in this video I'm telling you the price change is occurring in the Zilliqa coin, and I'm telling you the biggest mistake of Zilliqa coin holders. Please don't do this mistake and be safe from loss, friends. Before starting this interesting video, friends, if you don't subscribe my channel, please, I request all of you that please subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates video, friends. Anyways, friends, if you look the currently price of the Zilliqa, so the current price of the Zilliqa, as you can see here, 0.192835 USD dollar is the current price of the Zilliqa. On the other side, if you look the price changes occur in the Zilliqa, so over and over fast occur in the Zilliqa. Absolutely, the price of the Zilliqa coin is fast down day by day, going down hour by hour, minute by minute. So what's the reason behind it? Why the pricing is going negative? Let's see the price chart for a better understanding that what's going on this time in the Zilliqa coin, friends. As you can see here on the chart, that is the bait time of the Zilliqa coin. But I hope that now the bait time is over. Now it's time to take a jump. Now it's time to give us a profit, friends. Anyways, friends, if we look the previous changes on the chart fast down, but as you can see here that the last 1 hour they try to take a jump, friends, but take a high small jump. And I hope my prediction is that after in the future they fast down for more later time, and after a fast they again take a jump, friends. And I hope that this jump is the highest jump of the Zilliqa coin, friends. So tomorrow is the big jump of the Zilliqa coin. I'm sure that the Zilliqa coin, on the basis of technical analysis, I'm telling you that the Zilliqa coin take a jump tomorrow, friends. That's my prediction. What's your prediction? Please share in the comment box. Anyways, if we look, the price changes occur in the last 1 week. Negative 16.76% changes occur in the last 1 week, and the highest price is 0.24963 USD dollar is the highest price of the Zilliqa coin. So what's your prediction and what's your opinion about Zilliqa? Please share in the comment box, and kindly don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos, friends. Thank you so much for watching ABS Tech channel. Thank you so much.